Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Yamaha VSTAR 650 Custom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Yamaha VSTAR 650 with 10,150 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with mirrors, a phone mount, aftermarket speakers, grips, rider floorboards, a passenger backrest, a windshield, saddlebags, an LED headlight, an aftermarket exhaust, and exhaust heat wrap. Powered by a 649cc V-twin engine, the VSTAR puts 40 horsepower and 37 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4.2-gallon fuel capacity, the VSTAR has a 150 to 200-mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and a 514-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this VSTAR will need a new high-beam bulb, a running light, brake light, and rear turn signals with sufficient visibility. In addition, it will need bigger mirrors, new tires, and a muffler with baffles. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts and both tires at 330 seconds. We did not take this bike for a test ride, but our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the fuel tank, a scratch on the rear fender, and a scratch on the saddlebag. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.